Okay, guys, I've got a bit of an experiment. Right. How about this? If we turn the child lock on, this is a bit of an experiment, I'm just trying to find out. So we turned it on now, and we decide to turn it off. Will the program reset, or will it continue from where it's up? Continue onwards from where it was? So let's turn it off. Let's turn it back on. Nope, the machine. Oh yeah. Oh. And it continues. I've learned something new. There's something new I learned about the machine today. It only pops into my head simply because yesterday, when I went to, today, when I emptied the load of towels, when I switched it on, the settings, it hit 0, but all the settings for it were still up, so I thought, it was on child lock, so I thought, maybe it doesn't reset until you turn off a child lock. But I think if you do it during mid-wash, after you started and you turn it off, once you reset it, you can't go back to the same cycle. So I've learned something new from now on.